Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will show you how to add a printer on Windows 10. So let's start. First, open Control Panel. Click on this Windows icon and then type Control. And you will see this option Control Panel. Click on it. Now in the View By section, select Small Icons. After that, you will see this option Devices and Printers. Click on it. Now turn on your printer and connect your printer with your computer or your laptop. Okay. After that, click on this option, add a printer. Now this will try to search or find your printer device. If you see your printer name here, select that printer name, then click on next. But if you don't find your printer name here, click on this option. So there are a few ways you can select to add your printer. The first option is if you have any old printer, go for this option. My printer is little old. And if you want to add a shared printer, go for this option. If you want to add a printer with the IP address, go for this option. Select this option, then click on next. Now select TCP/IP device. After that, enter the IP address of your printer. Okay. Like this. Then click on next. So this will add the shared printer. Now if you are using a Bluetooth or a wireless printer, go for this option. Select this option, then click on next. So this will try to search. The final option you have is add a local printer or a network printer with manual settings. Click on this option, then click on next. Click on next. Now if you have your printer software CD or you have the printer software in your hard drive, you can select by clicking on this option, have disk. Now click on browse. Now if you have your printer CD, click on this option, go back. Okay. Now this will show the DVD drive. If you have your printer software in your CD, you can select this option, then click on open. So this will install your software, your printer software from your CD drive. Or if you have your printer software in your desktop, select the desktop option and select the folder in which you have your printer software, then click on open. So this will install the printer software. But if you don't have any software, you can select if there is a manufacturer option is available for your printer. Select your manufacturer, then select the printer model, click on next. So this will install your printer. So these are the few options you can try to install or add your printer. This is all for the video. Thank you.